Subscribe to my channel Making Impossible and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any one of my upcoming videos.
Yo, what's up friends, I'm Sholazari and welcome back to Making Impossible, the channel that teaches you how to make the impossible and be the smartest person in the room. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you a really cool coin vanish that you can do on the streets. Basically, the technique that I'm going to teach you today is a classic technique for vanishing any coin, and this would be a little bit of upgraded version which you can use on the streets, and it's very easy to do, but you will need a little bit of practice because there will be sleight of hand in this coin vanish. So without any further ado, let's at first see the performance and then we're going to hop into the tutorial.
I'll feature one lucky Instagram user every Monday in my Smack That Monday episodes. If you want your Instagram profile or page to be featured in my next Smack That Monday episode, follow the simple steps that are given in the video description. So now, let's continue.
Okay guys, as you can see over here, I have this coin, and to vanish it, I have to use signs. And you know, most of the times, not most of the times, all of the times, magic uses signs, okay? Magic is signs. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use signs and vaporize this coin so that it looks like the coin has vanished. So I'm just going to take the coin just like this, and I'm just going to try to squeeze the hands together, squeeze my fingers together, rub the fingers so that the coin heats up and vaporizes. But since this is just my hand, the coin won't vanish, right? Because I can't produce that much of heat that the coin needs to vanish. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just require some extra amount of energy, and for that reason I'm going to use not just my rubbing fingers but the power of fire. Yes, now I'm going to just heat up a little bit just like this, keep on heating this coin up. Now as you can see, the coin has vanished, right? The coin is not over here anymore. Now this is how the trick looks like. Let's see how you can do this trick. Okay guys, for this trick you're going to require a lighter and a coin, okay? Now you can use your own coin or you can just borrow the coin from a spectator and ask him or her to sign on the coin so that there is no duplicate coin in this trick. But I don't think that you need to if you're just doing the vanish. But if you're going to do the production, then you're actually going to require their signature to make this trick more impressive. So you're just going to have this coin where you can use your own coin or you can just borrow a coin from the spectator, but you need to have a lighter, okay? This is the main thing which is actually vanishing the coin. So I'm going to take the lighter, and I'm actually going to keep it in my right pocket because I'm right-handed, okay? So I'm going to keep it in my right pocket. Now this coin vanish is actually based on the idea of classic palming, and classic palming of coin looks like this. You have the coin over here, and as you squeeze your fingers like this a little bit, you can see that the coin will stick in your palm, okay? And if you turn your hand like this, you can see that the coin is not falling. So this is classic palming. Now as you can see that the classic palming is not a natural looking move. For that reason, at first you're not going to do the classic palming technique, okay? At first you're going to fake the classic palm so that your audience thinks that this is the natural position of your hand when your hand is empty. And this is a very important step so that you can do the classic palm on the next time and your spectator won't suspect that you have done a classic palm. So at first I fake the classic palm and I actually take the coin over here, while the spectators will think that the coin is still over here. I'll keep this hand face down and I'll just continue on squeezing this hand, saying that I'm going to produce enough heat so that this coin vanishes. But then I'm going to open my hand and I'm going to show that the coin is over here, and then I'm going to turn my hand over and say that you can see that the coin hasn't vanished because I couldn't produce enough heat. Now this is very important so that when you fake the classic palm, afterwards when you open up the hand and you show the coin is over here and then you turn this hand over here, subconsciously the spectators will think that this is the natural position of your hand. So next time when you actually do the classic palming technique, the spectators won't suspect. So at first fake the classic palming technique, show that the coin hasn't vanished after you have rubbed your hands, then you're going to do like this, okay? This is very important again. So as I do that, I keep on saying that, as you can see that the coin didn't vanish because I couldn't produce enough heat. So I need some extra power, and as I did that, the second time the spectators won't suspect that I have pumped the coin over here, because at the first time I showed this hand empty, but on the second time, as I pretended to take the coin, I actually did the classic pumping technique. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to say to them that I'm going to need some extra power, not just squeezing my hands, but I also need the power of fire. And as I go into my pocket and I grab the lighter out, I also drop this coin secretly into my pocket. So I go over there, I drop the coin and I bring the lighter out. Now there is no coin in this hand. I'll just keep on rubbing like this, and then I'll just light this lighter up and just pretend to just heat up the coin, and then I'm going to open my hand so that the coin has vanished. Okay guys, I'm going to show you this trick again while explaining this trick to you in real time so that you can see what it looks like. So at first I take this coin and I fake pump this coin, pretend to rub the coin and vanish it from over here, but it doesn't vanish. Turn my hand over, take this coin back, and I say that I need some extra power. I also do like this. You can also take that coin back directly over here, or you can just do like this. Okay, so at first you fake the coin palming, then you open your hand, show that this hand is also empty. Just don't tell that this hand is empty, because you're subconsciously going to register in your spectator's mind that this hand is empty. Then you're just going to do like this. Then you're just going to tell to your spectator that you need some extra power, and this time you actually palm the coin and they'll think that the coin is over here. While you go into the pocket, you drop the coin and take the lighter out, and since this hand is empty, you're just going to keep on squeezing this hand and light this lighter up and just pretend to vanish the coin using the power of fire, and that's how this coin vanish is done. Now this is the vanishing part. Then afterwards you can also produce the coin back if you want to, and for that you can use the lighter again and go back to your pocket to drop the lighter and take the coin into your finger palm position, and then you can do any kind of coin production. And I'm not going to show you any coin production in this tutorial because it's going to be very long otherwise. So I have a tutorial for coin production, which is a really cool coin production. If you want to learn that coin production, link will be given in the description box as well as in the card, so make sure you check that link out, and also help this channel by subscribing. Okay, so I hope you enjoy learning this amazing coin vanish, which you can use on the streets. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you did so, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at @Shol_Zari. Also, if you have any questions, you can use the comment section for that, and don't forget to subscribe to my other channel, which is the Pretty Savage channel. I post funny videos over there, and the link to that channel will be given in the description box as well as in the cards. And don't forget to smash the subscribe button of this channel if you're not a subscriber yet, and turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss my upcoming videos and my future Smack That Monday episodes.